Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to deposit. First, click on the menu icon. Click on Add Money. Select the wallet you need to deposit in. Select the gateway you want to use. Write down the amount you need to deposit. Click on the Proceed icon. You will redirect to the payment page. Please click on the Pay Now link. You have to enter the amount you need to deposit, and then write hash, then send the money. Come back to the website, write your number that you where send it from. Upload the payment proof image. Then click Pay Now button. You have deposited it successfully. The deposit may take 2 to 5 minutes to approve. If you don't know how to register, please watch the video in our YouTube. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.